Hi everybody. Hi. I'm running way behind schedule today, so I didn't have time to do anything to prepare for this. And I lost my earring back, so if my earring falls out during this meditation, I love how I come in so wild into meditations, like the energy isn't already chaotic and frenetic enough out in the world, but then I come in hot into a meditation broadcast like, hey, but it's okay. I promise I'm going to bring you back down. And look, meditation isn't just for relaxation. Relaxation is a beautiful byproduct of meditating, but it can also be used to focus, to energize, to motivate. And what I use it for is simply to connect with the truth of what is in the moment, to connect with myself, and because I believe in the oneness of the universe, to connect with all that is. So when I connect to my true self, my true center, then I'm connecting with everyone out there, the collective consciousness, the entire world. And I think that that's a really beautiful thing. That's how we heal together. So anyway, hi, my name is Rebekah Borucki. I am a mother of 5, a meditation guide, and the author of books for big and little readers. I show up here at 11:11 a.m. Eastern on Mondays through Fridays. This is day 36 of isolation for me. I have not left my property, and it's day like 19 of me wearing these pajama bottoms. I promise I've washed them, but then I put them right back on. And I'm so glad that you are joining me here live on Facebook and in replay on IGTV and YouTube and my other places on Facebook. And when my hair is not in a ponytail, I fuss with it a lot. So you're getting the lion's mane today, the unwashed lion's mane. Okay, so today we're going to be talking about courage. Courage, confidence, using our voices, raising our voices. The tagline for my private Facebook community that you can find in the video description is Heal Your Soul, Raise Your Voice. Right now, if you join my private community, you can find links in the welcome message to get 3 of my books for free, digital downloads. So you might want to go and do that. And there's also a link in my video description to help get books to students. I'm fussing with my books over here to get books to students in need. And that's another way that we can heal the collective, by providing mental health tools and resources to children who do not have access, because they are truly our future. We need to invest in them. I invite you now to take a big inhale and exhale with me, just to join me in this space, to signal to our bodies, our spirits, that this is a sacred time that we are creating together, just for us, just for our peace, our calm, our healing. That breath is a signal to step over that energetic threshold, out of the chaos of the world around us and into that sacred space. If it feels good for you, you can close your eyes, or you can leave them open if you'd rather, and just focus gently on an object, a spot across the room, a place on the floor right past the tip of your nose. When I close my eyes, I picture myself actually stepping over a threshold into a quiet, empty space. I recall my friend Soha's mother's meditation room. Shout out to Soha Parekh from Florence Township High School. Her mother had this meditation room in their home that was painted in this sky blue with the picture of her guru in the front of it. It was just so beautiful. It always smelled beautiful. So I picture myself stepping into a place like that and taking a seat. So you see, I can be on my meditation pillow even when I'm standing, even when I'm out in the grocery line, because I picture myself taking a seat in that place, sometimes just for a breath, a few moments, to collect myself, to connect to myself. And I invite you to do the same. Now that you're seated comfortably, I hope, bring your attention to your easy, effortless, and natural inhales and exhales as they are. There's no need to change anything about your current state. As you lead just by making this space and taking this time, your breath, your heartbeat, your energy will follow. It will follow you into the place of peace and calm. I just want a few moments of your time today to give you some encouraging words of faith, courage, confidence, so you can go on your way and do good in the world. Be good in the world. We are made good. And it is our responsibility to keep fulfilling the intention of our Maker over and over again. It doesn't mean we don't fail. It doesn't mean we don't get scared. It doesn't mean we don't mess up. But it's always possible in every moment to strive for what we were made to do, for our purpose, and that is to love one another, to be compassionate, and to do those things by sticking up for one another, helping one another, advocating for one another, fighting for one another. We all have the power to do that. And it can be as easy as just raising your voice. Let your breath, that big inhale and exhale, affirm your purpose here, your vitality, your worthiness of being here. I'm going to offer you an affirmation that helps me. I shared it earlier on social media. Courage is fear that has said its prayers. Courage is fear that has said its prayers. I have that right above the door of my office. I look at it every day to remember that with faith, I am supported. With faith, I can be courageous, strong, outspoken. With faith, I can do good in this world despite my fear. Courage is fear that has said its prayers. Courage is not the absence of fear. It is fear moving in faith. It is doing the thing anyway. And now my affirmation that I've written for you, I've shared time and time again. This is for you to say silently or out loud. I'm going to say it 3 times. Just repeat after me. My words are worthy. My voice has value. Practice creates proof. My words are worthy. My voice has value. Practice creates proof. My words are worthy. My voice has value. Practice creates proof. What that affirms is that you are here to say things, to do things, to be things important, to walk in purpose, to share your gifts, to shine your light, to advocate, to love, to take care of each other. And when you keep showing up in that spirit, you will have proof. You will have proof that this is what you are supposed to be doing on this earth. you will have proof that the rewards of speaking up are so much greater than your fear. Place your hands on heart center, one over the other, or in prayer position, whatever feels better to you. Connect with your heartbeat in your chest. Connect with the rise and fall as your lungs expand and contract. Connect with even the vibration that your blood creates as it courses through your veins. Connect with the you-ness that is you, the worthiness that is you, the purpose that is you. And then with one last big inhale and exhale to affirm all of this as true, go ahead and open your eyes and return to the day. Thank you for joining me. Catch those links in the video description for my free books to help with my effort to give free mental health and wellness books and tools to children, students in need. I am wearing my Dolly Parton shirt today because I am channeling the goodness that is her. She has given over 100 million books away to children for free. If you don't know about her imagination library, you have to look it up. Dolly Parton is like a saint when it comes to children's literature. She is just the real deal. So I am channeling her energy as I run this 30-day campaign to raise enough money to put books into 100 classrooms for every single student. I love you, I love you, I love you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I say that 3 times to seal it in so you can absorb it on a cellular level. And I appreciate so much that you show up for me and yourself every single day because it inspires and compels me to show up for you and myself just the same. You are my medicine. I love you. You are my family. I'll see you.